So there's actually a design fault on the stitching of the side walls, because every time a needle goes down into fabric, it makes a hole, which weakens the fabric. So what's happened to this side wall is, in a wind, that was obviously there, and in a wind, this is pulled, because of the tent peg, this goes into the tent peg, and it is pulled and pulled and pulled, and because it's weak, it's just torn the whole sidewall. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to strengthen it by putting a piece of green this is PVC here. I'm going to stitch it on, and I'm going to put another white piece at the back, so that I then have two pieces to stitch through. So it'll be a little bit stronger, and hopefully then it'll give, it won't break. I'm going to do all of them, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, so there we go, it's completed. Now, when this pulls down in the wind, it's going to pull onto this double load of PVC, and not just one thin layer of the awning. So this should hold tight, and a storm now should work well.